Good morning, children. After the explanation of chapter number 10, preposition, today we are going to do preposition in our grammar textbook. So, dear children, open your grammar textbook, page number 68, preposition. What is it? Preposition. Now, over here, we'll see. Let's do. Read these sentences and identify where the coffee mug is. We have to identify the position of the coffee mug. So, the coffee mug is on. You can see where is the coffee mug. It is on the table. So, it is said on. The coffee mug is beneath the counter. Now, where is the coffee mug? The coffee mug is beneath the counter. You can see over here, the coffee mug is beneath the counter. The coffee mug is inside the drawer. The coffee mug is inside the drawer. The coffee mug is leaning against the tap. Against the tap. The coffee mug is beside the counter. Beside the counter. See over here. The coffee mug is near the tap. Near the tap. The coffee mug is behind cookie jar. See, this is cookie jar and here is the coffee mug. It is behind the cookie jar. The coffee mug is between the oven and the teapot. Here is the coffee mug, but it is between oven and the teapot. Coffee mug is among the other mugs. Among, and you can see here is the coffee mug, but here are other also coffee mugs. So it is among the coffee mug. She held the coffee mug over the tap. Over the tap. So in each of the sentence you just read a preposition tells us about where the coffee mug is. We had learned in each sentence the preposition where the coffee mug is. See, on, on, on. Where is the coffee mug? On. Then beneath, inside, against, beside, near, behind, then between, among, and in the last over. So a preposition is a word. A preposition is a word which links pronouns, nouns to other words by telling us about the place, time and direction of nouns and pronouns. A preposition is a word which links nouns and pronouns to other words by telling us the place, time and direction of noun and pronouns. Preposition which tells us about the position of a noun is called preposition of place. Position of noun. नाउन की जो जगह बताता है उसे हम क्या कहेंगे? preposition of place. हम उसे क्या कहेंगे? preposition of place. Some prepositions of place are in, on, under, inside, beneath, between, as we saw over here. Okay, some preposition of place which indicates in, on, under, inside, beneath and between. There are two more uses of preposition. Let's find out what they are. Read the sentences over here and note the underlined words. What you have to do? Read the sentences and note the underlined words. Number 1. The train arrived on time. On time it arrived at 8:05 am. So on and at is what? It is a preposition of place. Over the river, through the woods, to grandma's house we go. So through and to. She poured coffee into the mug. So you can see she poured coffee into the mug. Notice that in sentence 1, the preposition on and at refer to time. On and at is refer to time. Preposition that tells us about time. Preposition that tells us about a time is called preposition of time. In sentence 2 and 3, through, to and into refer to the direction of movement. Through, to and into refer to the direction of movement. Preposition that tells us about movement and its direction are called preposition of डायरेक्शन. जो मूवमेंट और डायरेक्शन के बारे में बताता है उसे हम कहते हैं preposition of डायरेक्शन. Now let's practice. We'll do this exercise, children. Circle the preposition in the story below. We have to circle the preposition in this story below. So shall we start? Okay. Raman had a test at school. So at is preposition. We have underlined at. Now at is what refer the time in the school. It was at 10:30. So you can see it refers the time. At 10:30 in the morning. In the morning. In the morning. So it is a preposition of what? Time. Preposition of time. Then next, every day he walks to school. Every day he walks to school. Today he decided to take his bicycle. So to underline again, take his bicycle and ride through the park. Now that is a direction. Through which path he will go? Through the park he will take a way to go to the school. So that is a direction. It would be shady between the trees. He would feel cool under the shade. So beneath and under, underline, that is a direction of place. Direction, preposition of direction, it shows movement. Direction of movement also refer to direction of movement. Also we can say through, to and into. He thought he'd reach school on time. Again, on is what? Preposition of time. At the distance was short. As the distance was short. The park actually is between his house and the school. So between is what? Between is the preposition of direction. Between the house and the school. The school, but only walking is allowed. What happened? The park is actually between his house and the school, but only walking is allowed inside the park. Walking is allowed inside the park. He rode on his bicycle into the park. So on, into, all these are preposition. Into the park. A child was running around a tree. Around is a preposition. Raman bumped into the child and both fell down. So bumped into. Into is a preposition and fell down is also a preposition. The child screamed. Everyone near them came running. So near is also a preposition. And scolded Raman. And scolded Raman. Raman said sorry to all and quickly pedaled out of the park. Pedaled out of the park. So these are the preposition of time and preposition of direction it is showing us. Is it clear? How the Raman was going to the school, he decided to take a cycle, so it will be better way to reach on time. So beneath, between, under, into, to, all that we have learned, that is near, out. So all that is what? Preposition of time or preposition of direction. Now next, you were standing in a bank when some robbers suddenly rushed in. Report to the police what you saw. Use the correct preposition from the ones given in bracket. We have to select the correct preposition from the bracket. Police. Where were you when the robbers came? Where were you when the robbers came? The bank. So bracket is given 2 into 8. So what is the correct answer? Into. Where were you when the robbers came into the bank? I was standing a queue to deposit some money in, among and with. So what will you write over here? I was standing in a queue to deposit the money. In a queue to deposit the money. Police. How many robbers were there? How many robbers were there? There were 2 robbers. They came in at 12:30. What did the robbers do first? What did the robbers do first? They first came to counter 6. One of them snatched a key from an officer and put it in his pocket. So over here you can see the first came to. There are 3 preposition over here. From the bracket we have to select. So the first came to counter 6. One of them snatched a key from an officer and put it in his pocket. Where did they go then? They rushed past the people dash the manager's office. So in the bracket it is given at 2 into. So what will you use? Into. They rushed past the people into the manager's office. How did they escape? They made their escape by jumping dash through out of beneath a window and jumping dash into, up to, over the gate. So what correct preposition will come? They made their escape by jumping out of a window and jumping over the gate. So this was your preposition report to the police, and you have to use the correct preposition from the ones given in the bracket. Now we'll do this exercise. Let's practice. Fill in the blanks below and choose the correct preposition for each blank. Put a cross where no preposition is required. What you have to do? You have to put a cross where no preposition is required. Others you have to select from the bracket and write it in the blank. A. She lives dash Dehradun. In, at, for. So what will you use correct preposition? In. She lives in Dehradun. B. I am going dash work. From, at or to. So I am going to work. So you will write to over here. The bridge goes dash the river. Over, by or with. So it will be over the river. We took a ferry dash the river. Across on occasion. So what will be? Across the river. I will see you dash Tuesday. In, on or with. So on Tuesday will come. I will see you on Tuesday. She drove dash the tunnel to reach the next town. Across, into or through. So it is the correct answer through. Through the tunnel. Dad went dash to find out what the noise was about. At, from, outside. So here there is no need of any preposition, so we put a cross over here. Many books and papers were lying dash the room. So through, over, around. So it will be around. The people in the flat dash are very noisy. Lower, under or below. So below is the correct answer. You write below over here. The people in the flat below are very noisy. Next. The train is dash at 5:10 a.m. Now you tell me what will be the correct is the time. So to arrive On time or at? Yes, at. The train is at 5:10 a.m. It shows the time. Minisha leaves dash downstairs. So on, at or in. There is no need of preposition, so we have put a cross over here. Then last, Viju leaves dash the top floor. On, at or into. So Viju lives on the top floor. So on we'll write over here. Now the next exercise. Read the poem given below under the preposition in it. Make preposition of time, place and movement as TP, T, P and M. T is for time, P for place and M for movement. Here we have to specify. In the previous exercise, we choose the correct preposition from each blank which the bracket was given. In that, preposition of time was there, preposition of direction was there, preposition of place was there. We have to read the sentence properly and select the correct preposition from the bracket. Now over here, this what we have to do. We have to underline the preposition and mark the preposition of time, place or movement. That is T, P or M. So let us start, children. Page number 73. My twinkling star. Before my wandering eye. Now we have to underline the preposition also which we have selected. So that is before. So that is a preposition of place. So we have written P. Then I see a twinkling star up in the night sky. Now you tell me which preposition will come here? UP, up. So there is a preposition of place. This also shows the place. It flickers between many more stars. Again between, it is between the two places. So again it will be preposition of place, between. And does not fade into the darkness far. So into is what? Preposition of movement. Into, it goes into between them. The other stars flickers so bright from the evening into the night. So first is what? From. So that is the preposition of time, from. And into is the preposition of movement, into. T and M we have to write. Hundreds of them move across the sky. So across is what? Preposition of movement again. So M will come. Some towards dawn, some to me. Some towards dawn. So towards and to, they both are what? Preposition of movement. Both are preposition of movement. I sit beneath a tree and see. Beneath is what? Preposition of place. And my stars just a speck in the sky. In is a preposition of place. So once again we will read. Before my wandering eye. Before and preposition of place. I see a twinkling star up in the night sky. Up is the preposition of place again. It flickers between many more stars. Between is the preposition of place. And does not fade into the darkness far. Into is a preposition of movement. The other stars flickers so bright from the evening into the night. So into is what? And from. Preposition of time is from. And into is a preposition of movement. Between the two, like that. Hundreds of them move across the sky. That is the preposition of movement. Some towards dawn, some to me. Both are preposition of movement. I sit beneath a tree and see. Preposition of place. That my star is just a speck in the sky. So in is preposition of place. Now we'll go to the next exercise. Use correct preposition from the box to fill in the blanks. Use correct preposition from the box to fill in the blanks. The teacher was angry. Dash the boy because he tried to lie. The teacher was angry with the boy. With will come. The teacher was angry with whom? With the boy. Irfan has no interest dash video games. I am in video games. 3 number. Akram is very good dash science. So Akram is very good in science. 4 number. My sister is angry dash me because I have spilled the milk. My sister is angry with me because I have spilled the milk. The baby smiled dash me at me. One should always be kind dash others to others. Harish is good with or in, anyone will come with or with history also, and Harish is good in history also. From both anyone can come. 8 number. My brother is really bad dash singing. So what it will be? At singing. An old man stopped me and asked dash an address. For an address. I am afraid dash ghost. I am afraid of ghost. So once again we'll read the correct preposition from the box to fill in the blanks. The teacher was angry with me, with the boy, because he tried to lie. Irfan has no interest in video game. Akram is very good in science. My sister is angry with the boy with me because I spilled the milk. The baby smiled at me. One should always be kind to others. Harish is good with history. Harish is good in history. My brother is really bad at singing. An old man stopped me and asked for an address. I am afraid of ghost. So dear children, complete this exercise in your grammar textbook with neat and good handwriting. Thank you, students.